As you can see, these are like one of the bags that I buy typically when I go to Lush. Now, all of this, I'm gonna be straightforward. It cost me around $161.12, I believe. That is correct. I have the receipt right here. What is going on, familia? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back into another banger of a video. Today's video, we're gonna talk about self-care and I'm gonna show you some things that I bought when I go to Lush. Typically, I don't talk about this because it doesn't have to do a lot with exactly my health issues, but it does have to do with your health in some ways. I started going to Lush a couple months ago, maybe about a year ago, I think. And ever since then, I've been started getting more into the mix on the things that I like, what I enjoy. Just having those self-care days because it's healthy. It's mentally just soothing for you, and of course I want to be good on the inside as much as can, and of course as I age I want to be looking good on the outside. So I figured, why not make a video on the things that I do and things that I buy. Now, as you can see, these are like one of the bags that I buy typically when I go to Lush. Now, all of this, I'm gonna be straightforward, it cost me around $161.12, I believe. That is correct. I have the receipt right here. Now, it seems like a lot, but to be honest, I don't go there, every week or every 2 weeks. I go there, every 2 months, 3 months sometimes, because some things last me a while. And I buy kind of some things in bulk so I can just have it for some time. So I won't just have to go every other week or so. And I know Lush is it might be a little bit expensive. I'm not sure if it is or not, because that's the only, I like Lush because it's more natural, things are, made and created more naturally. And I like that. Now, am I willing to pay a little bit more for that? Yes, I am. And that's the reason I go to Lush. And, I'm working my way up. Some things on here, I might botch it. I might, just chalk the words and stuff. So bear with me. I'm new to the game. And I just want to share some things that I bought with you guys. So let's get started. And first of all, I bought this Ricecake, Cocunut Ricecake shampoo. And I had no idea right here that this could be a shampoo. This is crazy to me. I've never seen this until I went to Lush. I usually think about the bottle when it comes to shampoos, you know what I mean? You get into the shower, you rub it in, and it is what it is. But this, you soak it in water and it starts creating bubbles, and you add it and it lasts you a long time, believe it or not. Now, this right here cost me 15 bucks. It's pretty cool. I bought one because I already have one that I'm still using, so that's gonna last me some time. This is actually pretty awesome, guys. I love how it smells. I love coconut in general, especially coconut water, man. That's the way to my heart, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's move on to something else I bought. Let's talk about the skincare real quick. This is Cosmetic Lad, and this is my moisturizer that I use at night. It seems very small, and this cost me $33. It seems very small, but to be honest, it lasts you a long time once you start learning how to apply it to your face. At first, I used to apply so much to my face, and I wasn't doing it right until I was told that I was doing it wrong. And they're like, no, apply a little bit, rub it, and if too much white is showing in your face or white is showing at all, then you're applying too much. And I was like, oh, okay, that's a good way to look at it. And ever since then, I've been using it right. So this is my moisturizer that I use at night, every night. In the shower, I also use this conditioner, which smells delicious. It's one of my favorite products. I mean, this smells so good, man. I just enjoy adding this. I was told by the lady at Lush to do it, maybe to have it like on my hair for about 2 to 3 minutes while I shower, when I'm doing the body wash and everything else, and just leave it on there so I can get the full effects of the conditioner. And I was like, hey, you know better than I do, so that's what I do from now on as well. This is really good. It smells delicious. It's one of my favorite products from Lush, and I love it. So let's move on. I also bought, you guys know I'm big on like mental health, right? I'm big on, I've suffered from a lot from anxiety, some depression. Sometimes anxiety hits you randomly, especially when you're going through a lot of health issues. Well, I bought some bath bombs right here that are made from Epsom salt, lavender, and some other products. Well, the lavender, I love it because, it just calms you down. It helps you relax more, and it helps you with that anxiety factor. But this is also made out of Epsom salt, right? Which is really, really beneficial and really cool. I love that because it also helps with my prostatitis issue. A lot of people in my YouTube comments have always came in and like, yo, why don't you try Epsom salt, you know, in your bath, and it helps you with this and that. It has has so many benefits and health factors, and I'm like, oh, cool. What if I can buy that, you know, from a bath bomb, and it's made out of Epsom salt, then, you know, and it can relax me. I'm like, I'm all in. So these cost $7.50 a piece. I bought 4 of them. I don't use them every day, of course, probably like once a week, just to relax and, you know, kind of just wind down from the whole week that I had. So $7.50 a piece. Did I say $7.25? $7.50. It's $7.50 a piece though. Also, by the way, I forgot to mention, the conditioner costs $15. So just putting it out there. I don't want to forget the numbers either, because I want to be straightforward with you guys if you guys know what's up. I also bought body soaps, which are really cool. And guess what they are? These are lavender soaps, right? They cost $10 a piece as well. I find these to be so good. They smell really good. And of course, lavender, anything lavender, like I'm all in. I love lavender, the way it calms you down, the way it smells. You know, I even have a lot of lavender stuff that I used to put, like even essential oils like on my ear. That was just lavender to just calm me down. So I bought 3 of these. I bought 3 at once because I didn't want to go to Lush every other week just to buy more soap, especially body soap. So I bought 3 of these, and these cost $10 a pop, believe it or not. But they smell delicious and they make me feel good. These are the other bath bombs. I'm gonna take them out the way. Let's go into the goodie bag. I feel like a kid right now. Now, I talked about the moisturizer that I do at night, you know, every night. Now, this is the soap that I use every night as well. I had no idea that you needed to like cleanse your face before adding the moisturizer. This was all new to me, but this is like part of like the learning process. And now I kind of love my little night routine that I have, because it makes me feel good. It makes me feel better. I like the fact that I'm taking care of my face, of course. And it's, you know, it's pretty fire. Now, I believe this cost me $18, and this lasts you a very long time as well. If you use it once a night, it's gonna last you for a good hot minute. So yeah, this was $18. Now to jump in, oh, this is one of my favorite things. I know I keep saying that, but this actually is one of my favorites. So this is the Scrubee body butter. It cost me $11, but this is, I'm about to botch this. This is an exfoliator, skin exfoliator is what it is. And it's so cool because it it's like lotion, but in the shower. But at the same time, it exfoliates your skin. So, you know, your face, your back, or whatever you feel like is rough in your skin. I had to learn that this was not something you use every day. You can use this like once every 3 days or once every 4 days to exfoliate your skin. And this is the reason I only bought one, because it lasted me a very long time as well. So I didn't know that you could, you know, put lotion, you know, at the same time in the shower, because, you know, oils and water don't mix like that very well. But this, you know, it's actually lotion already. So when I come out the shower, I'm already lotioned up. Pretty fire, right? Yeah, I know some of you guys didn't know this, but hey, get with the program right now, because that's what I'm doing. That was another empty bag. And some of these things, so these were, I think that's actually all, guys. That's all that I bought right now, you know. But these are some of the little extras that they give you, little sample sizes. I actually have more in the fridge because they gave me some face masks right here. All of this was given to me for free. They're all sample sizes. They gave me some face masks, and these are iPads to put on. I've never put on iPads in my life, but I have to keep them in the fridge, because of, I guess, what the component they're made out of. They have some type of bacteria and stuff to keep them alive. So when you add them to your face, or you put them in your face, or to your eyes, I should say, they're supposed to be very beneficial. And I'm like, I'm all in. If you throw them in, I'm like, I'll do it. I'll use it and see what's up, right? So I'm not gonna say no to any free stuff. But these are, you know, they're supposed to be meant. These face masks supposed to be kept in the freezer. Or in the fridge, as you say, so they're supposed to be cold. Not these two. These, I think, are other soaps and shampoos or something like that, which I'm gonna try. And even these small little samples, man, they can last you about a week or two if you use them right. So this is pretty cool, man. The way they be giving you samples, especially, she saw how enthusiastic I was of like being, you know, at Lush, and the questions I was asking. If you ask questions when you go to Lush, and you were like, hey, can I try a sample of that? Let me see what they'll give you like a small decent sample that you can use. And to be honest, next time, so you won't spend so much money, you can decide which one's better or not. Try different products and stuff. I thought it was pretty cool. Again, I don't go there very often, but when I do, I make sure, that, I ask some questions, maybe try some new things, what didn't work, what did work. And it's pretty fire. Now, again, I would say I'm new to all this. I'm new to the game of just self-care in general. And as a man, it's pretty, I was just lost in the sauce. I was lost like Nemo, you know what I mean? People were finding me out there because I really had no idea what was going on with the game. So I had to learn from friends. I have to learn from the women at Lush. So I can just get an idea of what I was trying to do and what I wanted. And now, to be honest, I feel very good about it. I feel very good about taking care of my skin, my health. Of course, I am 30 at the moment of this video. So in the future, I'm only getting older. You see all these white hairs, which I call a lot of wisdom, salt and pepper coming in because, it's a little bit of spice into life. You know what I mean? And I am getting older, so I definitely want to take care of my skin. I look good. I'm single, I don't want to look chalked, for the ladies out there. So I want to make sure I'm looking all right. So I'm taking care of myself a little bit more. I always preach it in my channel, try to take care of yourself as best as possible naturally, as best as possible with your mental health, taking time to exercise, try to do the best you can. Sometimes you might not be able to do what you used to do in the past because your life has changed. But do what you do with what you got now, right? And that's a beautiful part about life. Everybody's different. Don't compare yourself to any other people. Don't compare yourself even to me because, we all have a different story and a different journey. But this is some of the things that actually helped me. And, luckily for me, I've been blessed to have a job where I can afford and spend on what I call something, like this, luxury. And it's a blessing itself. So I just want to share this part of my life with you guys and wanted to just show you guys some of the things that I do with myself outside of just taking myself internally. Of course, I want to show you what I'm doing externally when it comes to just self-care in general. So remember, take care of yourself, not just mentally, emotionally, but also physically. Look out after yourself. If you have family members, tell them that you love them. It's very important to everybody, especially if they're going through a lot. And again, I'm going to show you the receipt at the end of the video. I spent $161.12. But this is probably going to last me for like 2 to 3 months. So do I find it worth it? Yes. And especially because a lot of these products are made as naturally as possible. And I actually love that. I always talk about natural things and natural things that are better for your body. Now, if you have anything that you can recommend from Lush or maybe some others, from other places that you think that would like benefit me or you will think that I'll like, I'll make a video on it. Just let me know what it is and what you want me to try, something you feel like has helped you, period. I'm open to that, man. I'm open to that. I'm an open book. I would love to try new things in life. And this is just part of the process that I find is pretty cool. I'm smiling a lot because it's so new to me, but I'm also like enjoying the process of learning. And I think that's a beautiful thing about life. So I don't want to hold you guys any longer. This is another part of my life that you guys get to see. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, share, turn on notifications. So whenever I go live or post a video, you're one of the first people that get to that notification and you get to see the video when I first post it. So thank you guys for all the love. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any comments, don't forget to comment on the comment section. I'm pretty good at responding back to my community. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family, guys. Just want to remind you guys, you're not alone. And as always, peace and love. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. See you, familia. Deuces.